everyone, today I made a vegan oats chocolate bar. To make the base, all you need is oats, creamy peanut butter and maple syrup. First you pour in the oats, then you pour in your maple syrup, then you pour in your creamy peanut butter, then you mix it all up. When your base starts to look like this, you put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Now I'm going to put my base into my baking tray and add my vegan melted chocolate. Now it's time to add the chocolate topping. Then you spread it all over until it's all covered and then you put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. When it's all set, you cut it into bar-sized bites, ready to eat. Now they're ready, it's time to tuck in. Thank you for watching.